50,000. Hey, what's up? What's up? Good evening. Good evening. 50,000 na followers. Congrats sa atin. Yay! It's been a few days since our last upload. For our trade up, nag-antay muna tayo kasi we will be joining the year-end celebration ng Pasakali group of artists dito sa Baguio. And may exchange gift sila. Bukas, isasali natin sa exchange gift ng Pasakali group of artists yung ating current item, which is the Taltalak na painting. I'm just gonna read a few details here about the event tomorrow. So, etong year-end celebration ay may games, raffles, music, art jam from 9 a.m. December 27 dun sa Rose Garden sa Baguio City. There's an admission fee of 100 pesos per head. Dress code ay something reto bar. Niretasong damit, ginawang super cool. Ewan ko kung tama yung definition ko, pero yun yung pagkakaintindi natin. And best dressed will be awarded. If you guys wanna join the program, just drop by 9 a.m. dun sa Rose Garden. And bakit nga ba natin sinali yung painting natin dito sa exchange gift na to? First of all, kasi nga, it's a trade-up. And alam naman natin na yung mga artist na kasali sa Pasakali group of artists ay magagaling. And their works are worth... So ayun, sana yung maipagpalit nating item or yung makuha nating gift and return ay mas mataas yung value or at least on the same level. On the same level, bakit? Kasi okay lang kasi we're gonna see a new art piece. And kung mas mababa naman yung value, okay lang kasi nga, again, it's another art piece and it's the game. Tataas, bababa. Given na yan. At kung palarin man tayo at ang makuha natin na isa sa mga works ni Mr. Roland Bayan, he is one of the legends sa pagpipinta at sa sining dito sa Pilipinas. I've seen his works and his works are worth, again. So if we are lucky and we get one of his works, it's a big win for our project. That's just a quick update for our trade up for our Rocks to a Million project. Guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Kailangan ko pang hirap yung painting. Bumili si Mrs. ng pambalot dito. Babalutin natin. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.